Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working on the BMW and we will show you how to clean leather seats. This will apply to any car with leather seats guys, the materials that we use, so stay with us, amazing results guaranteed. So let's start on it now. As you know, that Beamer we got from Copart, it's extremely dirty. I don't know how people can be so dirty sometimes, it's just disappointing. Okay, so we clean one of the seats here, looks great. But check out now, okay, this seat, how dirty it is. Okay, you can see the pores inside. It's extremely dirty, shiny look. Okay, that's grease. So what we use here, okay, it's some cleaner made by Chemical guys. Let me go grab the bottle quick to show you what it looks like. So this is it, leather cleaner. It's pH balanced. It's very important to be pH balanced. That way it will not dry the leather and it will not crack in the future. Okay, so once we spray it, okay, like that, what do we do? Usually you can rub it with your gloves a little bit, okay, to make sure that it gets everywhere. And after that, get a soft leather brush, okay, soft part right here, don't use the hard one, it needs to be soft brush. Okay, and you start cleaning it. And it might take you a try or two depending how bad your things are, and until you get a hang of it, you know how much to brush. Okay, we'll show you the result in just a little bit, so let's see how it looks now. Okay, after that we get a wet towel. We just have a clean water in the bucket so we can rinse the towel off. Okay, and we're going to wipe it to make sure that that foam does not go back in the leather, because if it does, everything that you did now you have to redo again, because if it dries in the leather it's going to get dirty again, so you need to get it out of there. After that we need to get a clean towel, clean dry towel this time. Second time was with a dry towel. We need to make sure that we don't have any water, any moisture, so clean it really good and we will let it dry for a few minutes and we'll apply the lotion. So this is the leather conditioner that we are using next. It has vitamin E, very important component because it makes the leather elastic. So what we usually do, okay, we put it in a small bottle, okay, I'll have the links in the description of the video guys for small bottles. And we apply on a little bit on the applicator, okay, and we're going to rub it in. You have to rub it in really good. You can see it's going to give that fresh look to the leather. It smells really good and will make the leather elastic. So always I recommend trying the new materials and cleaners and conditioners on a portion of the seat that is not visible, to make sure that it doesn't discolor or anything like that, even though those are very fancy materials. Okay, next, clean, dry microfiber towel. We're going to wipe the excessive amount of that lotion so there is not too much in the seat now. Next, let's pull the tape, okay, and see the difference ourselves guys. Okay, check it out right here. That's unbelievable. You can see how the seat just turned different color from, okay, that's what we had before, that's what we have now. Completely different. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come.